Hi, welcome to OCI. Today we are going through the steps to enable monitoring on an already running compute instance which is using custom image. In this video, we would be confirming the OS version, getting and installing the Oracle Cloud Agent on the instance. We would be enabling related plugins on the instance, verify if the monitoring is enabled and metrics are getting displayed. Oracle Cloud Agent is the agent that is responsible for posting metrics of your instance in OCI. For OCI provided Oracle Linux and Ubuntu images, these agents can be installed from your end by following documentation, and you can enable them by enabling agent plugins. In case of Windows and custom images, the agent needs to be installed first. If you are using Windows or a custom image, you can raise an SR with OCI support to get the agent for your OS version. The support engineer would share the related executable and that can be installed at OS level. In this case, I am using RHEL 9. As you can see, I already have a corresponding instance created. This is using RHEL image. If you see under Cloud Agent, you can see that none of the plugins are enabled. If we see under metrics, the metrics is empty. I am copying the IP of the instance and logging into the instance. I'm switching as root user. I am checking the OS version. As you can see, this is RHEL version 9.2. Now I would be getting the corresponding executable for this particular version. Since I have this handy, I am running this directly. To get this, you would need to raise an SR with Oracle Customer Support. Now I would be installing the RPM which is downloaded. As you can see, it makes certain changes by adding groups, users, and permissions on the Oracle Cloud Agent scripts. At the end, it would be starting the same. As you can see, the services are started. We would need some commands to be run to ensure the agents are executed and running as expected. This shows that the agent is installed. This shows that again the agent is installed and then the agent is running. As you can see, the agent is installed and enabled. We would now be checking if the system is able to reach instance metadata endpoint. Once this is performed, we can go ahead and enable the plugin from OCA agent tab. We would wait for about 10 minutes for this change to take effect. After 10 minutes, you should see the status of the plugin as enabled and running. You would also see metrics for the same. As you can see now, the agent status has changed to running and we are able to see metrics as getting loaded. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.